So let's do it from out here because of this.
Today marks the beginning of the second week of the administration of the kcse examination, and I want to commend our secondary school teachers for the great job they did in week one. Week one went on very smoothly. The new rules that we introduced have been adhered to the letter. That is the double collection of the two papers, the morning paper collected at 7, and I'm sure you have seen at this container it has been collected at 7, administered between 8 and 10, and the scripts returned to the container, and the center managers collect the second session paper at 12:30, administered from 2 p.m. and that has to a large extent helped us to curb the biggest challenge we have had of the early exposure of the second session paper. We have deployed adequate helicopters to that place, even parts of Kitui, Mutito especially, and we have deployed helicopters even this morning to make sure that there is no delay in the administration of the examination. I can assure you with absolute confidence, there is no single genuine paper that can circulate on those social media platforms. What they're having there is fake papers. What they do, as the PS explained last week, like now the first paper will start at 8. So some of those social media fellows, they will collude with somebody somewhere, and they will look for an image of that paper which is being done. They will try to share it on Telegram. Fortunately, we are working with the Ministry of ICT and all those cases have been neutered. So there is no effect even on social media.
A few incidences that of course could be managed, and I believe that this week could be better because now we are active.